Hello everybody, we're playing this game.
Rice.
Oh my gosh. We're Pluto.
Ooh, clothes. Sorry. Oops.
So
Sorry, guys.
sorry. Do we have to do something first?
And now I've done with the switch houses. You really want that house, right? I need to design your own house. Okay, guys. I'm going to show you the place. So you click on a lot. Right over here, right here, right over here. This, right here. Over here, right here. That's the school. Who's that? Like a hotel. I'm going with my place. Whoa. This farm. You can also build. What's this? Let's see where I can build. Oh, I can also build on a hill right there. No. There we are. Back to normal. I'll go. Okay. Tay. You know, Tay. Right now I'm playing it.
What do you have to do? Oh my gosh.
What's this?
Oh, shit. Glass.
You should grab your own speaker.
Glass. No.
Launching this right here. You wanna go upstairs? That's an empty here. Oh, sure.
Oh.
Yeah, you might not ever seen my face before.
You guys know.
Oh, what?
Well.
Monies! I got cash! More!
Airplanes.
Give me a lot. Monies. Oh yeah, rich girl.
We don't want who is down.
I see.
Why?
I'm rich. You said a mall. I see. Wait. Go back. I'm gonna make you design everything by yourself, I see. I don't know. I'm pushing it out. I'm just gonna spam right over here. On the edge. want to play it. Neighbor. Archie, so you want this house right here, right? Archie. That.
Where should we put it?
I don't have to upload my videos now. Oh no, I don't know how to upload it. You need to play like this. Playing read my.
This is actually what.
Archie. I'm gonna delete everything. Because you want to delete everything right here.
Nope. Back to play.
Okay, this room. This room.
Okay, guys, I'm right here.
Archie's bedroom.
Okay. Nice. We're gonna cook something better than that. Sandwich, you know.
Good as me. My brother's room.
Turn on the
This one is my
faucet.
brother's bathroom. Ashia, what is this for? What's around right here? What's around right here gonna be, Ashia? Guys, might want to show you one more time,
I'm gonna do something.
and then we're going to go. Actually, where you're collecting balloons or eggs. Are those eggs or balloons? Oh, why are there balloons everywhere? By the way, guys, we're currently
Wow.
Where's my wallet?
ไปนอนได้แล้วไป
My daddy, I'm making something.
ดูออน
Come
ไป
on.
เล่นแล้วไง มีอื่นในเช้านะ
Guys, actually, can you play with me?
I'm playing this. I'm playing a very fun game that's let you cook.
I'm playing Tokaboka game. And plus, it don't need internet. Actually, I'm gonna play for the runway show.
I don't know. I think I don't need internet.
Cause I played for yesterday. I also play, and it doesn't even let your horses. No more internet at all. Yeah, go. I just lead someone to my base, and it's super scattered. I don't know what you're doing, man. What's this place? Whoa! That hotel. Whoa. You got so much cool books. You got so much cool things. And you got a picture of yourself. Never mind. Oh no. Hiya. Where's the school? Here it is. School is right here. Right here. Cool. We're going back. I'm going to my brother's house. Actually, can I delete everything? Can you delete everything except the cool things? I'll be there. I'll feel it. No, not good.
Guess I have to reset. Okay, one. There's an ad, okay? Don't mind about it.
ครับวันนี้ครับ รถติดอุบัติเหตุครับชั่วโมงหนึ่งแล้วครับ
Time to go cooking for free. Cooking time.
ใครยังไม่ได้แปรงฟันเปล่าดูล้างหน้ายัง นอนค่ะ ไม่นอนพรุ่งนี้ก็ไม่ต้องไปนะจ๊ะ
Aww.